Today, Natalia's father, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, passed away. Any loss is heartbreaking, but to lose a father, our fathers are pillars of strength in a hostile world. They are our reassurance that everything is going to be okay. But when that reassurance is ripped away, we have to face the fact that our fathers have been raising us to be the pillars of strength our families need when they're gone. Stay strong, Natalia Neidhart. We all love you.